Sometimes in great happiness, Lord Jagannatha makes a loud concert with his flute in the groves on the banks of the Yamuna. He is like a bumblebee tasting the beautiful lotus-like faces of the cowherd damsels of Brija and the great personalities such as Lakshmi, Shiva, Brahma, Indra and Ganesha worship his lotus feet. May that Jagannatha Swami be the object of my vision.
Gacchitalindi tadadipina sangita karabo Gacchitalindi tadadipina sangita karabo Budabiri nari Vadina kamalasvada madhupa Budabiri nari Vadina kamalasvada madhupa Namasambhu Brahma Marapati Ganesha Chittapado Namasambhu Brahma Marapati Ganesha Chittapado Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami
In his left hand, Lord Jagannatha holds a flute. On his head, he wears peacock feathers, and on his hips, he wears fine yellow silken cloth. From the corners of his eyes, he bestows sidelong glances upon his loving devotees, and he always reveals himself through his pastimes in his divine abode of Vrindavana. May that Jagannatha Swami be the object of my vision.
Tujhe savye venam shirasi siki pucham katikate Tujhe savye venam shirasi siki pucham katikate Dukulam netrante Sahacharaka daksham vidadate Dukulam netrante Sahacharaka daksham vidadate Sadashimad Vrindavana Vasati Lila Padchayo Sadashimad Vrindavana Vasati Lila Padchayo Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
On the shores of the great ocean, within a large palace atop the brilliant golden Nilachala hill, Lord Jagannatha resides with his powerful brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra, who sits between them. May that Jagannatha Swami, who bestows the opportunity for devotional service upon all godly souls, be the object of my vision.
Ahamodestere kanakaruchire niyalasitare Ahamodestere kanakaruchire niyalasitare Vasam Prasadanta Sahaja Balabhadrena Balina Prasadanta Sahaja Balabhadrena Balina Subhadra Madhyasta Sakala Sura Seva Vasurado Subhadra Madhyasta Sakala Sura Seva Vasurado Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me.
Lord Jagannatha is an ocean of mercy and as beautiful as a row of blackish rain clouds. He is the storehouse of bliss for Lakshmi and Saraswati, and his face resembles a spotless, full-blown lotus. The best of demigods and sages worship him, and the Upanishads sing his glories. May that Jagannatha Swami be the object of my vision.
Vada Vada Sajala Jalada Shini Ruchiro Vada Vada Sajala Jalada Shini Ruchiro Rama Bani Rama Spurana Mala Pankiru Hamuka Rama Surada Malapankeru Hamuka Surendra Raja Shutigana Sita Gita Charito Surendra Raja Shutigana Sita Gita Charito Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu.
When Lord Jagannatha moves along the road on his Rathayatra car, at every step, large assemblies of Brahmanas loudly chant prayers and sing songs. For his pleasure, hearing their hymns, Lord Jagannatha becomes very favorably disposed towards them. He is the ocean of mercy and the true friend of all the worlds. May that Jagannatha Swami, along with his consort, Lakshmi, who was born from the ocean of nectar, be the object of my vision.
Tarudo Gajan Patilita Budeva Patalai Tarudo Gajan Patilita Budeva Patalai Prati Pradurvavam Pratipadamuparkanya Sadaya Pradurvavam Sakala Jagatam Sindhu Sadayo
Sindhur Bandhu Sakala Jagatam Sindhu Sadayo
Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Lord Jagannatha, whose eyes resemble full-blown lotus petals, is the ornament on Lord Brahma's head. He resides on Nilachala hill with his lotus feet placed on the heads of Anantadeva. Overwhelmed by the mellows of love, he joyfully embraces Srimati Radharani's body, which is like a cool pond. May that Jagannatha Swami be the object of my vision.
Para Brahma Vida Kuvalaya Dalot Kulanayano
Para Brahma Pida Kuvalaya Dalot Kulanayano
Vasini Ladra Nihita Charano Nanta Shirasi
Vasini Ladra Nihita Charano Nanta Shirasi
Rasananda Radha Sarasa Vapura Lingana Sukha
Rasananda Radha Sarasa Vapura Lingana Sukha
Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
I do not pray for a kingdom, nor for gold, rubies, or wealth. I do not ask for a beautiful wife as desired by all men. I simply pray that Jagannatha Swami, whose glories Lord Shiva always sings, may be the constant object of my vision.
Navayatse Rajam Nachakana Kamani Kya Vibhavam
Navayatse Rajam Nachakana Kamani Kya Vibhavam
Nayatse Ham Ramyam Sakala Janakamyam Vardhavadam
Nayachayam Ramyam Sakala Janakamyam Vardhavadam
Sada Kale Kale Ramata Patina Gita Charito
Sada Kale Kale Ramata Patina Gita Charito
Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
O Lord of the demigods, please quickly remove this useless material existence I am undergoing. O Lord of the Yadus, please destroy this vast, shoreless ocean of sins. Alas, this is certain. Lord Jagannatha bestows his lotus feet upon those who feel themselves fallen and have no shelter in this world but him. May that Jagannatha Swami be the object of my vision.
Bharatam samsaram Jugataramasaram Sudapate
Haratam samsaram Dukkhataramasaram Surapate
Haratam papanam Nitatim aparam Yadavapate
Haratam papanam Vitatim aparam Yadavapate
Ahodine nate Nihita charano Nischittamidam
Ahodine nate Nihita charano Nischittamidam
Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me
Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami.
The self-restrained, virtuous soul who recites these 8 verses glorifying Lord Jagannatha becomes cleansed of all sins and duly proceeds to Lord Vishnu's abode.
Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me
Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami
Jagannath Swami